So I'm outside of a property that we just finished a fix and flip on. It's under contract to sell, but we still own it. And I thought I'd point out kind of like the biggest thing that came up with our inspection objection. The main sewer line runs here, but it's extremely deep, right? So it's like 8 foot plus deep here. Right here, it comes out of a house right here, and there's an offset, and the buyer wants it fixed. So we're gonna spend about 6 grand to rip out this concrete, dig down like 9 feet, fix the sewer line, and then put it back together. So here, I'll show you what the finished product looks like. If you go back in the videos, like just go back like 4 or 5 videos ago, you'll see what this looked like before we did anything to it. But here you can see the finished product. This laminate floor is new. The previous owner had already purchased it, so we installed the material they provided. They had this project kind of started. There was this really bad laminate flooring in here, so we ripped it out and put nice new carpet in everywhere. We had the furnace clean and certified, and repainted everything. All the walls you see are redone. Upstairs here, or I shouldn't say upstairs, the main level, we kind of came in the back. It's a walkout basement situation. So this is the main level, that's the front door. This flooring was half done. The seller had kind of half started the project. There was no trim anywhere. So all the baseboards and the trim around the door, that wasn't there. We added that, that's brand new. There was no hood over the stove, so we put that in. Right, so we just kind of took a house that was like half fixed up, and we finished all the projects in it to make it really nice and polished off. So here, just paint, and the floor wasn't in here, so we had to pull the toilet, finish the floor, put the toilet back on. So if you've been paying attention to me for long, you'll notice that this is not the flooring we normally use. But again, the project was already started, and we already had material from the previous owner on site, so we used that material and just finished off his projects. So here we've got new carpet, new paint. We used this floor up here because there was enough extra, so we put this new flooring in, this master bedroom and kind of all of upstairs. Repainted all these walls. We replaced some light fixtures that were rusted out with these new ones. But this window panel is fogged. We have a new one on order. It was another thing the buyer wanted us to do, so we're in the process of getting that done. But essentially, in this house, we just took a house that was like already pretty nice, but ripped up. We could see past where things were at. And there was a bunch of damage in here from some dogs. There was a cat smell in the house up here too. And we run an ozone machine. We put some oil-based kills down. We put new flooring in. We finished the baseboards, painted everything, and ended up with a very nice house. So, in any case, this turned out to be a great flip. It didn't cost a lot to finish it off, and the value went up significantly. The seller did end up taking our cash offer. We explained how they could get a bunch more doing a fix and list, but in this case, the seller was a stock trader and had tons of money and just really wanted to move fast. He had a new house picked out. He needed to liquefy this one, get in his new one, and appreciated our honesty and treating him like he isn't an idiot and understands the value he has. And so he took our cash offer, even though it cost him quite a bit, right? He probably took about a $50,000 hit on the cash offer versus if we would have done a fix and list. But he knew that, was fine with that. In his particular situation, speed was more important. So we sold it to him cash, we bought it, we fixed it up, we staged it, got it on the market, got it under contract at a high price, and this closes next week. So look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thanks for watching.